Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Saranya Narayanamurthy here to talk about the mind business. Coming up to the seventh session of the podcast, we have a very major topic to deal about today. Yeah, theory of addiction. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm addicted. Oh, you're addicted? To what? To whom? Okay, so chill. This reason varies with each one of us, right? But have you all wondered or realized the one main reason for our addiction is ourselves? Okay, so let me explain this statement. Syncing your addiction with your mind, we are all aware of the fact that everything we do or we think or imagine is totally controlled by our mind. So we do realize that even addiction is a part of it. A part of something that is controlled by our own mind. Explaining the theory of addiction, addiction is defined as getting used to or creating a habit of thoughts or action we fail to persuade our mind to stay without. Making it simple, addiction is something which we convince ourselves that we cannot live without. Not a fact, but just a mindful convincement. Take an example of a drug or newly found relationship or a game we spend most of our time thinking or playing or constantly pondering on. Neglecting all other responsibilities, we obviously know what happens now. We tend to have most of it in our thoughts more than anything else. Playing our favorite game, we tend to neglect our exams to play a game. We tend to neglect our eating hours or sleeping hours just to play a game. This finally leads to more of that one element related activities than the others. This phenomenon is what we define as addiction. By now you would have realized what triggers your addiction. Answer yourself now. Who is responsible for your addiction? Is it the game? Or is it you persuading yourself to play it again and again and again? No, it's you obviously. Not someone else, man. Okay, so addiction is reality, is something that we cannot overcome. It isn't something we cannot overcome, it's something we think we cannot overcome. It's something that we don't try to overcome. When you firmly decide not to think about it, that's when you realize that it's just another element and it's nothing more superior than yourself. It's you who gives it the power of control, or it's you who gives it the power to possess you. After all, beside every other circumstances, do remember it's always you for you. Everything you do in your life, or you think you want to do in your life, is totally controlled by you. You think you want to study, you think you study. You think you want to eat, you go, you eat. You think you want to play a game, you go, you play a game. Now, addiction isn't just limited to a game. It is in everything. We often end up our life saying we cannot live without that someone special. But have you ever realized that someone special isn't someone special just because they are born special? It's only because you give them a power and you tell yourself that they are special. So you're the only one who has authority over you or what you think of you. So make sure you rule over you more than anything else. It's okay to have someone more important or have more something which is more important, but then the signing authority or the controlling power should be you. Signing off today, enforcing the fact that it is always you over you. Happy weekend.